Hi, I'm Tracy Margison and I work in Learning and Organisational Development at Arts Centre Melbourne, where I have the great privilege of managing the Arts Wellbeing Collective. And I'm here today to tell you the meaning of life. Well, no, not really, but I do want to share with you a hot tip about the ways in which purpose and meaning can positively impact your mental health and well-being. To have a sense of meaning, we have to feel like what we're doing is valuable and worthwhile, and that we're contributing to something greater than ourselves. There's many studies on the way that purpose and meaning connects not only to improved well-being, but also life satisfaction, your physical health, and even recovery after trauma. In the arts, we're pretty lucky because we have purpose and meaning in abundance. Why did you get into the arts? I'm fairly confident that it probably wasn't the money or the great working hours. It was probably purpose and meaning. You're passionate about it. You're challenged by it. You've seen the capacity that storytelling has to change lives. You've got a story to tell and you're the one to tell it. The levels of engagement that we have with our work is something that many other industries would kill for. But how is this good for our mental health? It's easy to forget meaning and purpose, why you got into it, particularly when you're in the thick of a tough rehearsal, a bump in that's going way over time, writing a grant application that feels never ending. This is where connecting to your sense of meaning and purpose can help you improve your mental state. When you're in the thick of it, remember why you got into the arts in the first place. Why are you doing the project you're currently doing? Why are you telling the story you're currently telling? What bit of it are you really passionate about? When do you feel like you're most authentic? When you're the most you? What strengths are you using? Your purpose and meaning comes from what you're good at, what you value, and how you're improving the quality of other people's lives. Having this sense of direction is a wonderful thing. When I'm feeling really tired and I really don't feel like facilitating a session on mental health, I try and remember why I'm doing that session. It's because I want people talking about mental health in the arts. I want my industry to be well. I want my peers to be happy, healthy, and creative. I want us to look after each other when we're struggling. I want us to be leaders in creative care. I want other industries looking at us and going, look how the arts industry thrives. Look how they create the most incredible work in the most incredible way. Those feelings, connecting to meaning and purpose, usually wake me up. Next time you're having a tough time, think about the why. So connect to your purpose and meaning and enjoy the mental health and well-being benefits that come from living a life that's in line with what you value. I hope you found this hot tip helpful. If you'd like to find out more about Arts Centre Melbourne or the Arts Wellbeing Collective, visit artswellbeingcollective.com.au. Thank you.